Hi everyone, my name is Alessandra and today I'm here with Sutra Beauty to show you something very exciting. I have the Sutra IR Straightening Brush 3.0. Cannot wait to tell you more about it and do a little demonstration on my hair. Let's get started. This brush has tourmaline-infused bristles. So these guys right here are going to be really good for making your hair shiny. They're going to make it look really silky, really strong. It's going to leave that really nice smooth finish for you. Okay, and the moment you have been waiting for, the reveal of the brush. It has these really nice flexible bristles right here. This tool is lightweight, it's ergonomic. As you can see, it's just perfect for your hand to grip it right here. It starts as low as 280 degrees Fahrenheit and goes all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So you hold this, so as you can see, it's going to blink until it's completely solid, which means it's ready to go. So I'm gonna stick the hair straight through, push it all the way down, and then holding this hair really taut, I'm gonna pull all the way down. So I'm going the other way this time, and that definitely worked. It's so shiny, so smooth, love it. I'm gonna go ahead and do again the push up, holding my hair taut and pulling down. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this section and I'll be right back. So I'm going in, super close to the scalp and pulling down. Yeah, I love the flexible brushes. I feel like it makes it really easy to get all of your hair in. And of course, you know, those tourmaline plates are really great for your hair. It's gonna keep it really soft and silky, which is important when we're putting heat on it. All right, guys, I just finished my look and I am so impressed. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you to Sutra for sending over this tool. Go ahead and head over to sutrabeauty.com. You will not regret it. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.